Alright, so how good are you at zombies?
I can't even remember the last time I touched an Xbox controller. Oh, what is this sensitive? What the hell? I'm AFK for a bit.
Oh, okay.
Okay, yeah, I think I'm good. I don't know where the zombies come from or anything. So.
Oh, okay, yeah, we're screwed. Oh,
Did we win?
did we win? Alright, go open that door over there, please.
What
Go,
door?
That door over there. Do it.
The junction?
Yes!
Oh! Well, there's a zombie.
Right, should I get quick revive to save your ass? Like, every 2 rounds? You got more kills than me, so...
Yeah, because I'm a god at this game.
We'll see about that. What the fuck?
Oh!
what was that noise?
Oh! What is that? What is that?
It's like the weakest thing in the game.
Oh. I was just rebuilding a barrier and then I just got... Oh, Jesus, dude. It was on top of me and I was like, what the hell is that?
Come with me.
Jesus. Why are we on this? Oh my god, is there not infinite sprint in this game?
No.
Oh my god. That's disgusting.
What is this? Ritual time,
What
boys.
is going on? What is going on?
Watch
out! Oh,
well,
would someone like to explain to me what just happened then?
I don't know.
Oh.
yeah, man. Oh,
So,
there's a zombie right
you're
here.
not meant to kill- Oh! I'm assuming you're not meant to kill anything there, are you?
No, you can. We just don't have good weapons.
Yeah, I
yes.
can tell. We got
Double points. Every 5 seconds you're going, oh! Fucking shut up.
Can we actually get a good gun now? Or?
Oh. Okay, let's find the box.
Oh! Where is it?
I don't know, somewhere. Alright, man. I'm gonna open it up.
What the f-
What?
Oh!
Okay, it's...
I got trapped by some girl. If that's what we're gonna call her.
Just have to revive your ass. Alright, the box is up here. Behind
Wait, where's
you.
up here? Hello?
Oh god. It's up these stairs here.
Oh no!
Jesus!
Oh, what's this?
The stairs over here.
No! Oh god, I've just trapped myself, dude. I've just trapped myself. Holy!
Oh man, I got a gun from the box.
Oh yeah, what box? Oh, those stairs?
Yeah, man, yeah. And there's the box right here. Yeah. Oh.
Is there like a teddy bear in this game or something? Some
Yeah.
AIDS?
Oh,
Wait.
what are you gonna get?
Wait.
Oh, you got ray gun. No, it's mine. I used it.
I knew it. I knew it. I knew it wasn't mine.
What do you get? Oh yeah. It's so bad. It runs out of ammo so quick.
No, I'm gonna. Oh, hello, zombie.
You got the Gorgon. You got the Gorgon. Quickly, get it. Get your gun. Okay. Guppy.
Like the cobbler's elves.
Save me, Connor! Oh, zombie behind you, behind you, behind you! Oh.
Oh, that's alright. You can infinite slide in this.
Oh, wait, what?
If you sprint and then hold B, when you slide, press A.
You can't infinitely. Oh, what?
No, like when you slide, you press A to jump and then hold B again.
Another one.
And again.
Another one.
And again.
Another one.
Keep sliding.
Another one.
No way, that's not a thing.
That is a thing.
Wave 6, wow, this is pleasant.
Yeah, man.
Oh, alright.
Oh. The floating
Oh, what the hell's going on?
bees.
What?
It's the bees!
Oh, I'm actually gonna die, dude. What is happening? Where are we going?
What?
Oh my god. Oh my god, wait, what's killing me now? What's killing me now? Okay, we go.
Can't you see them?
I can, but I can't. Kill him right now, get him out of my face. Oh wow, my gun's out of ammo, it feels good.
And you picked up the max ammo. Sick.
Oh, yeah, that was planned, I didn't even see it on the ground. Oh, I'll take that.
Oh man, so good. I got carpenter.
So what are we even meant to do?
Alright, you ready for this next ritual?
Oh,
Oh, that's alright, we have to get the part. I don't have it. Rip. Where is it again? I forget.
are you asking me? Because I would have no clue. I don't know this thing. Oh my god, dude, what am I dying to?
I think I know where it is. There we are. Alright, I think I'm gonna get the part. Oh, so much for leaving a zombie. Thanks, man.
OG, man.
Oh god,
Holy
Margwa.
Jesus. What?
Margwa.
What?
Is it coming
Who?
after you?
There's one coming after me!
This thing!
What's this thing?
Oh god, there it
Oh,
is.
God, I see.
There it is. Oh
God.
my god. Run.
Wait, what? Wait,
The
what?
thing
Wait,
behind
what?
you.
Wait, wait, what thing behind me?
The thing behind you. That thing! Oh, I'm trapped in the corner.
I see what thing.
Oh my god.
Leave me, Connor.
That's the plan.
Oh. What the hell is that thing?
It's a Margwa.
Okay, come revive me, Connor.
Are you serious? I'm supposed to. Okay, fine.
I believe in you. Oh, he's kind of charging everything.
Oh no. Oh no, that's a corner. Oh! Well. That went well. Zorg. Still there? No? Okay. I think he just had a heart attack. What the hell, man?
Don't know, dude. My controller disconnected,
Yeah.
and then nothing worked.
Yeah, that happens. Alright, go again.
Yeah.
Let's go again. Oh, you
I'm not sure about that one. Oh.